it's finally time for the Utah State Fair. This build has kicked my butt completely, and it shows. Some of it's kind of half-assed, but we got it done. We're gonna put some paint on it today. It's strapped down on the trailer pretty hard, but you guys gave me a few tips, so we tried something new on the trunk. Hopefully everything goes good. It shouldn't go up in the air as far as normal, but it looks pretty good. So let's get this thing off the trailer. We'll get some paint on it, and I am tired, so we'll see how this goes. Got the base colors all done. Doing the same purple and black. Kind of like the way that's looking this year, so Mom's gonna hook me up with some lettering, and that's gonna be about it. We're not gonna do anything crazy just because it took me so long to get here today, get this car done. So it'll be good though, it'll look good. Okay, we got her all done. Pretty simple. Same old paint job pretty much. Got some sponsors and stuff on there. Looks pretty good. We're ready to go tomorrow, so I'll see you then. All right, it's Derby day. Just kind of loading everything up, getting ready to go. We finally made it. Feels really good to be able to get that car done. Today we're gonna go down there. We'll see how inspecting goes. Should be no problem really, but yeah, see how that goes. I'm hoping we can meet some new people. There's some drivers on the list I've never seen before. It's looking like 9 cars tonight in our heat. It's another low car count. I don't understand it, but should be fun. It's pretty good odds. Got a couple buddies coming, so yeah, we're gonna go have some fun. And getting to be towards the end of the season, it kind of changes my attitude a little bit. I don't know, it's not that I care less, it's just I start to have more fun almost, you know. Just the end of the year, everybody has been hard at it, so it's kind of fun towards the end of the year. People are just kind of sending their stuff and trying to ruin them. So anyway, I left the car at Mom and Dad's house, so we're gonna drop the kiddos off. It'll just be me and Callie tonight, which will be weird, but it'll be good in a way, right? A little break from the children. But they also don't have Power Wheels or anything, and anyway, it's just super busy. The pits at the state fair aren't the best. It's hard for people to go into the stands and watch, so it's for the best of the kids hang out at Grandma and Grandpa's. But anyway, it'll be good. So we're gonna go grab the car from Mom and Dad's house and be on our way. We just got done with driver's meeting. We're heat number 4 on the night. Looks like 7 cars total in our heat. So gonna put some gas in this thing, get stuff ready, cameras and whatnot, and we're gonna go and give them hell, try our best. Didn't get much video today, but it's pretty much the same old Derby stuff. You got cars everywhere. I think we got 40 something, I think, big cars. And we're gonna get ready to go and see how this car holds up. It was a quick build, kind of half-assed a little bit, but I think it's right where it matters. So we're gonna go hard and fast and try and get first in Mad Dog for the 3rd year in a row. So wish me luck. I'll see you guys in the arena.
You bit nervous?
Huh?
You bit nervous?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 7 cars just means the heat's gonna be even faster.
You better be ready. Are you ready? Oh, come on.
I reckon.
He's ready.
2-day build. I don't know if it's ready. I'm ready. My car isn't.
I'll give you the winners in just a second.
Fixable.
You sure?
I've never ate so much dirt in my life. Oh, look at that camera. Day after the Derby, morning after. It was good. It was really fun. This car kicked my butt the entire time I was building it, and all the hard work paid off. So last night I was able to get first and Mad Dog, which is 3 years in a row at the Utah State Fair. Freaking awesome. I knew that was a thing, kind of wanted to do that, but to be able to do it was cool. I didn't think I'd be able to tomorrow or last night, but it worked out. So the car held up pretty good. It bent really hard on the driver's side rail, but it's definitely fixable. Kind of hard to see on camera. Right there, it kinked really hard. My window bar idea worked great, other than, and in our rules, well, not really in the rules, but they made it a point that you can't have a bigger footprint than the window bar itself. And the problem I ran into, and I knew it was gonna be a problem, is the window bars pushing into the strut tower. So we're gonna have to take them out or do something better there. So, but I do think it bought me some time. And I think if your rules allow it to have some big plates to land to there, it would be a game changer. I really do. But anyway, not too bad. We got some bending right there in the frame. Subframe kinked where they always do right there. And then pretty much you can see in the fender right about at the firewall, there's some bend in there. So, but I mean, considering the driver's side's definitely worse than the passenger, and that bumper, I think I could still get a hold of tires. So I'm gonna push it out, down, plate it, and it'll run next weekend at Idaho. So, but looking at the trunk, you guys helped me out a lot on this one, a lot of tips. It did pretty good. I'm definitely gonna make some adjustments just to try and get it a little bit more straight in. It kind of folded everything down, but it's great. I mean, back bumpers packed up into the tuck really good. The rail from here back is pretty well straight still. It looks worse than it is because of all this extra fender that's just kind of close to the tire. So we're gonna peel all that up and pack it in on both sides. But this right here seems to be hard as shit. So same thing on this side. We'll pull all this fender and loose metal out of there and get it away from the tires, and we're just gonna let her go some more. It should pack straight into the fuel cell protector. So super happy with that. Thank you guys for the tips on that. I'm really happy. That's probably how I'll build them from here on out. Got hit a little on the doors, whatever. This side, pretty much straight. I mean, you can see it rock back just a touch right at the firewall, but same thing, we'll do our plates in there and this thing will be ready for more. So I'm super happy. Like I said, it was a tough build, low on motivation, kind of burned out, and I stuck to it and it worked out. Had a lot of fun. Congrats to Amber Lopez. She's in the Camaro. Driving that thing to second was cool to watch. That thing was mangled. Really cool though. And then Taylor for third, Taylor Sweat. And then Dakota, he was in the little orange and black Honda. I can't believe that car. He drove that car onto the trailer, believe it or not. And I think that car might see the arena again. It's freaking amazing. You Honda guys, I might have to try another Honda one of these days. But anyway, it was a super good time. we're gonna be busy this week. Obviously, I got to round up a bunch of parts. We're gonna be back in the arena next weekend, so stay tuned for that. But thanks for following along, coming with me to the Derby. It was a good time. I had a hell of a good time, obviously, and the car lived. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.